Try to see from a distance what God has for you. Hello friends, this is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us to open up your eyes. Try to see from a distance what God has in store for you. Many times we are blind to see the huge blessing which is on the way. Open up your eyes. Have faith in yourself. What you have been asking for, it will come to pass. But we need patience. We need to be humble. We need to be grounded and understand the whole situation, that it takes time for us to have the answered prayer. It always takes time. Why? Because God will see you through if you are capable to receive His bountiful blessing. Try to see from a distance that a huge blessing is on the way. Try to see that you are more than blessed. God has blessed you all through these years. What you have been asking for, it maybe takes time, but believe me, He will give you the desire of your heart. So do not lose hope. Do not be discouraged. Feel free to keep asking from Him, knowing that He will give you the desire of your heart. Do not be discouraged. Have that hope within you, knowing that God will soon open up His blessings for you. Try to see from a distance with hope, with faith. Keep thanking God in advance that He is working for your behalf. Keep thanking God that blessings are on the way, that He is working for your behalf. Keep believing that it is coming. What you have been asking for will truly come to pass. But you have to understand first that it takes time, because God will give you time to be ready for the huge blessing He has in store for you. Keep hoping every day, knowing that the bountiful blessing is on its way. To keep seeing from a distance, the key here is to be grateful in advance of what you are asking for. The key is thanking for the blessing that it's on its way. Keep believing that it is coming. You have to water up your hope on in faith. Keep thanking God that He is working for the blessing which is for you. Believe me, I have experienced this. You have to do the work, and the work is have faith and believe in God, knowing that He is in control and He will give you the desire of your heart when the right time comes. To keep seeing from a distance is about praying, meditating that the goodness and blessings of God is on the way. Abundance is on the way. Miracles still happens, and He will give you a blissful life. He will take away the things that blocking in your life, the things that block your growth, the things that block your blessings. He is going to work on with that, so the blessings He has for you will come through pass. So, while waiting, choose to be happy, choose to have hope, choose to have faith in God. Remember always, all things are going to work together for your good when you keep trusting and believing God, even it seems so impossible. Believe and declare right now that your blessing is on the way. Have faith in God. Trust Him that He is working in your life, and the blessings you have been asking for will come in its perfect divine timing. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.